Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to secure your Gmail for this security guide. So guys, if you want to secure your Gmail, then you can do one thing. You can enable your two-step verification mode on your Gmail. So guys, for that, go to your Gmail. Now go to your profile, tap on manage your Google account. Now go to security. Now go to two-step verification. Now you can add here your phone number and just tap on turn on two-step verification. You have to enter here your phone number and then you have to tap next, and after that you will get a code from your phone number and you have to put the code here, and then your verification will be enabled. So guys, that's it. This is very easy to do. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.